Are you ready? Let's get started. Understanding the present simple. Let's dive into the present simple. We use this tense to talk about things that are always true, habits, and routines. For example, facts. The sun rises in the east. Habits. She drinks coffee every morning. Routines. I go to school every day. Here's how we form the present simple. Affirmative sentences, subject plus base verb. S for he, she, and it. He plays football. Have you noticed the S on plays? Negative sentences, subject plus do or does, not plus base verb. She doesn't play football. Interrogative sentences, do or does plus subject plus base verb. Does she play football? In this case, the S is not necessary. We often use adverbs of frequency with the present simple to show how often something happens. Here are some examples. Always. She always walks to school. Usually. They usually eat dinner at 7 p.m. Often. He often reads books. Sometimes. We sometimes go to the park. Never. I never watch TV late at night. Great job! Now that you understand the present simple, let's take a quiz to see what you've learned. Don't worry, it's just for fun and practice. But before we start, leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and tell me in the comment section if you understand better the present simple. It will help me a lot for the channel. Ready for the quiz? Here we go. You will have 10 questions and 10 seconds for each. Let's go. Question 1. What is the correct form? She. The piano every day. The correct answer is B. She plays the piano every day. Because the subject is she, we add an S for the verb. Remember the lesson. Question 2. Choose the correct sentence. They goes to the market. They go to the market. They going to the market. The correct answer is B. They go to the market. Question 3. What is the negative form? He. Not to eat meat. Does not eat. Do not eat. Did not eat. The correct answer is A. He does not eat meat. The third one, did not eat, is the preterite. We will see it in a future lesson. Question 4. Which sentence is correct? Does she like ice cream? Does she likes ice cream? Does she liked ice cream? The correct answer is A. Does she like ice cream? Remember, the S. It's not necessary for interrogative sentences. Question 5. How often does he play tennis? He. To play tennis every Saturday. Plays. Play. Playing. The correct answer is A. He plays tennis every Saturday. Because this is an habit. Question 6. What is the right question form? You to live in Paris? Are. Does. Do. The correct answer is C. Do you live in Paris? Question 7. Choose the sentence with correct verb form. I does my homework at night. I do my homework at night. I did my homework at night. The correct answer is B. I do my homework at night. Question 8. What is the negative form of this sentence? They watch movies. They do not watch movies. They are not watching movies. They do not watches movies. The correct answer is A. They do not watch movies. Question 9. Which sentence is correct? She work at a bank. She works at a bank. She working at a bank. The correct answer is B. She works at a bank. Question 10. What is the correct question? Does he go to school by bus? Do he go to school by bus? Is he go to school by bus? The correct answer is A. Does he go to school by bus? Congratulations! You've completed the course on the present simple. I hope you found it helpful and fun. Practice makes perfect, so keep using what you've learned today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments section if you are more confident with the present simple. See you in the next lesson.